Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's video, we are going to see Banarasi semi-cotton sarees. All these sarees have rich Banarasi borders with beautiful digital prints in floral and in geometric patterns. Very lightweight fabric, drapes easily well and perfect to carry for this summer in a very affordable range. Let's quickly get started. These sarees are easy to maintain as well. All these sarees can be carefully hand washed at home. To get immediately notified whenever we upload a video, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First one for today, it's a beautiful off-white and magenta, a very pretty color combination with short and long antique Banarasi borders on either sides. The body has got beautiful floral digital prints running throughout the saree with a very pretty pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast blouse in magenta, that's the blouse. Priced at 1,100. This one is a beautiful green with Banarasi borders, antique zari woven borders, short and long on either sides. Very pretty abstract digital prints running throughout the saree with a printed pallu, that's the pallu. And this has got a contrast dark green blouse with zari border. Priced at 1,100. Beige and coffee brown, a very different style with short antique zari borders on either sides. The middle portion of the saree has also got zari woven pattern running along the middle portion with very pretty abstract prints on either sides. This has got a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast blouse in coffee brown, that's the blouse. Priced at 1,100. Baby pink and peach, a very pleasant color combination with short and long Banarasi borders on either sides. Beautiful floral digital prints running throughout the saree with a printed pallu, that's the pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in peach. Priced at 1,100. Navy blue, one more beautiful pattern, Butta style prints, all over printing running throughout the saree with short and long Banarasi borders on either sides. This has got a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast plain blouse in blue. Priced at 1,100. Red and green, one more beautiful color with short and long contrast borders on either sides. All over prints in floral pattern running throughout the saree with a printed pallu, that's the pallu. And this has got a contrast plain green blouse. Priced at 1,100. Coffee brown and green, one more beautiful color combination with floral prints along the body. Banarasi borders, short and long on both sides of the saree with a printed pallu, that's the pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in green. Priced at 1,100. Yellow orange, one more pretty color combination with short and long borders, all over floral digital prints running throughout the saree with a printed pallu, that's the pallu. And this has got a subtly printed blouse in yellow orange, that's the blouse. Priced at 1,100. Black and red, a very classy saree with simple Banarasi border in red along the top portion of the saree, and towards the bottom part this has got a 3-color Banarasi zari woven borders. And the entire body has got floral digital prints running throughout the saree with a printed pallu, that's the pallu. And this has got a contrast blouse in red. Priced at 1,100. Sap green and navy blue with antique zari woven borders on either sides. Beautiful paisley prints, all over prints running throughout the saree with a printed pallu, that's the pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in blue. Priced at 1,100. Off-white and mehendi green with antique zari woven borders, short and long on either sides. Very pretty floral digital prints running throughout the saree with a printed pallu, that's the pallu. And this has got a mehendi green blouse. Priced at 1,100. Maroon with kalamkari style prints running throughout the saree, Banarasi borders and antique golden zari woven on both sides with a printed pallu, that's the pallu. And this has got a contrast blouse in brown, priced at 1,100. Coffee brown, one more beautiful sari with antique zari woven borders on either sides, all over prints running throughout the sari with a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in brown, priced at 1,100. This one is navy blue with peach, floral digital prints running throughout the sari with short and long borders on either sides. This has got a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast plain blouse in peach, priced at 1,100. It's a very pretty green with antique zari borders, all over prints running throughout the sari with a printed pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a subtly printed blouse in green, priced at 1,100. Peach and orange, very pretty and subtle color combination with bright borders, Banarasi zari woven borders on either sides. The body has got an abstract print running throughout the sari with a simple pallu, running pallu, and this has got a contrast blouse in orange, priced at 1,100. Green and peacock green, one more beautiful color combination with short and long borders on either sides. Very pretty Banarasi weaves on both sides of the borders with an all over floral digital print running along the body. This has got a running pallu, that's the pallu, the same design along the pallu, and a contrast plain blouse in peacock green, priced at 1,100. Last one for today, it's maroon with antique zari borders, short and long on either sides with all over prints running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in maroon, priced at 1,100. All these saris are available in our website. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link that's given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an interesting shopping experience at Prashanti.